Leichter. Xin chào.
How about we get Estia?
Bạn khỏe không?
Okay.
This is your
Bye-bye tayo. Bye-bye tayo. Ikaw magulang tang suko.
Dumutan daw. Kabalo ka sa supaan ko.
Dung!
Barbie. Barbie na made in plastic.
But fantastic. Andressa. Uy, grabe naman ito.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Cagas, and
Joey Renninghoff, but did you...
this is the part 2. So if you watch my old vlog yesterday or other day, so this is the continuation.
Well,
So
for me it's a half hour again.
so now we're going to the Osnabrück. What did you say?
Bonbon?
And then this
For
is
free?
because normally he will offer me, but I need to pay. But now he said, "Bonbon, do you want?" But this time is free. Because normally if you offer, you need to pay
Du
now.
tust gerade so, als würde ich dir
Oh,
von...
lecker, hol's them. Gas them.
Du tust...
Ah, caramel.
I don't want money for a bonbon. Oh my god.
Yeah, but normally if you offer, okay, we need to.
What Gagas
we need to
thinks
share
now.
that now. We need to share it now.
What the Gagas thinks now.
They
me.
think that you are a good boy, good person. So now we drive. See you later, alligator.
Oder?
Is there alligator there?
We drive to Osnabrück Hotel and then we go outside for eat.
Yeah, for dinner. I need to go to Ate Pamela. I need to say hi.
Okay.
You also. I need to say hi to my friends, and maybe there's some food there. Oh, Oliver, can come here, eat. Then eat.
Okay.
But vegetarian. Vegetarian.
I eat bonbons.
We only have rice here that you can eat with ketchup.
I hope so.
So let's go.
Voraussichtliche Ankunftszeit ist 18:45 Uhr.
Guys, nag-stop over kami dito sa Edeka kasi nakalimutan kong mag-bit-bit ng Dio. Nasa bahay, nakalimutan ko. Buti na naalala ko kasi kung hindi ko naalala, wala akong Dio tomorrow, no?
Huh?
Yo, what's this?
For your deal.
Yeah. Wow, look at the clouds. Guys,
Wo muss ich denn jetzt hin? Hilfe.
akala namin na dumating na po kami. Kasi sabi, uy, andito na ang DM, nandito na ang ganyan-ganyan. Sabi, saan ang hotel dito? Kasi titingnan namin ito sa map, dito daw kami dinala. Ang nilagay namin sa map, we put DM Strasse. The street of the DM. Where is the DM? Yung, ano siya, drugstore or basta mga store. So ngayon, sabi, saan ang, ano ito, hotel? Mali pala ang nakalagay namin ka, guys. Mali yung direction.
Yeah,
So
and
now-
I forgot to cancel
no?
to change the target,
The destination.
destination of the Google Maps.
Yeah, and now we're going
Now we
to
are on
drive.
DM. Do you need to go to DM for your deal?
I bought it already.
Okay, stimmt.
So now, another 8 minutes going to the hotel.
Can we drive home?
And he told me, please don't tell to Kagais Oliver.
Shame. But okay, now we know where's the Fressnapf, Jysk,
McDonald's, there's also the McDonald's there. So now you know. So it's okay, it's a great journey after all, no? Great experience.
Wow, ATU. Autoteile umgehauen.
Auto. Guys, kahit na wrong direction kami kanina, dito po kami sa labas ng hotel. Dito kami sa, what is it called? Dito kami sa labas ng hotel, sa parking lot area. So with Joey Renninghoff.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. So mag-check-in kami muna ngayon, tapos puntahan muna ng hotel before natin mag-hi hello sa ating mga friends kasi po parang nilumot na ang mukha namin kasi po dahil sa biyahe. So kailangan tayo mag-freshen up, diba, before tayo magpakita-kita at mag-hi hello sa kanila. Para fresh naman tayo tingnan sa kanila. Ay, kahit dito lang naman. Kahit ngayon lang. Sige na ba? Sige na, good. Guys, andito na po kami ngayon sa hotel. And because kapag pumunta ako sa mga hotel, bagong hotel, mag-check-in, magawa talaga tayo ng hotel room tour. Dito po siya sa Van der Valk, Mille, Osnabrück. So, malapit na po talaga to sa Netherlands. Parang malapit na yung border. So, ngayon, ipakita ko na po dito. Dito na sa entrance. Dito sa entrance. Si Joey ando na may ginagawang kababalaghan. Charot lang. Sa entrance, ito pa una nating makikita. Shrunk. Here. Here. So, dito lagayan ng mga t-shirt or ano-ano pa. Malaki siya. And, dito tayo sa, pagpunta mo dito, may salamin. Ang gwapo. Oh my God, it's so handsome. Oh my God, it's so handsome in the mirror. So, meron dito. Akala ko may gold. Wala pala. So, okay. Open lang para may pang room tour tayo. Ay, wow! Look! Here. What is it here? Air flags. Air flags. Air flags. Shoe shine. Yan, shoe shine daw. Ano pa? So safe to siya, pang safe. Tsaka may ano pa doon o kumot para kapag super lamig na. Kailangan mo ng kumot. So this is Joey.
I don't have energy, I just need a TV.
So this is Joey, TV, and another mirror. Hi! Do you like here?
Yeah, it's cute. But we are just 2 days, it's okay.
It's cute here?
Yeah, it's cute here.
So this is our bed. Oh, it's too big! Big! Malambot.
I like it hard, but this is...
I like it hard.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
So, dalawang bed siya. Pwede siyang isibog kunti dito. Tapos doon din kunti para may space talaga. So, and, ayan, may lamp. At meron din kunting ano dito. It's like a little chuchu. Table. And here, we have balcony. Buksan natin. Wow! Ay, yung entrance, ayan. This is the balcony. And, yeah, dyan naka-parking. Pwede ka mag-park dyan. Harapan talaga ng balcony, no? Ang parking.
USB.
Yeah.
The tablet phone.
Now you can charge it.
Yeah.
So now, let's go to the toilet. Uy, ang ganda nito. Ang ganda ng details. Look there. What is that? What is written there?
Nothing. It's
I know that. It's a rose.
yeah, it's
Flower.
Yeah. Right.
So now is the toilet. Uy, wow!
I'm seriously.
Wow, ang ganda ng toilet.
Wow, Jerry Blossom.
Wow, may bathtub. Bathtub talaga ito dito. Ay, mabuti na lang meron silang shampoo, washcloths, hand soap, skin lotion. Meron sa dito. Yan o, skin lotion, hand soap, shower cap. Mabuti may mga shampoo dito. Yan, may salamin naman. Daming salamin dito. Ay, ito, may kunting ano din to. Pang tingin-tingin sa ating mga mukha. Oh. Yan. And also the toilet here. The shower room. Open natin. Dito. Ignorante lang ang peg. Andito yung shampoo. Andito, body wash, hair shampoo, hair conditioner. Wow, may hair conditioner. And here. Wow, ganda. Ganda dito, no? Ganda, worth it. Worth it dito. Ang binayad po na pala naman dito is 120, 130. Pero 2 taon na yon. And then, per night yun siya. At saka, exclusive na yung breakfast tomorrow. From 7 AM to 10 AM ang breakfast buffet. Tsaka, nabayaran namin lahat ni ako ay Dalawang nights man ako, 612, so 120. Si Joey din 120. Isa kami ng bayan. Bakit ngayon kami naglarga? Friday kasi, and then Saturday yung event. Bakit Friday? Para makapag-freshen up kami, hindi kami magmadali ba? Yung hindi kami maano-ano. Tapos, makapagbisita kami sa lugar dito, makapag-vlog. And then, tulog ng maaga, maayos. Tapos bukas kasi mag-ramp tayo, Modus Oliver bukas. Kaya panoorin nyo talaga yan sa other vlog ko. Ha? First time ko yun. At saka, I hope that is not the last time. You know guys, you know what I mean?
Rice
is life.
His favorite food. And his favorite route, we need to be more quiet because we are not alone in this hotel, I think so.
So, kagas, ito yung direction. This is the direction in reception area. Ang laki ng hotel.
I'm a professional
Tagalog.
What's this? Tita? Un mayon.
Tara na.
Ang buwan mo'y mahal kita. And?
Tara na.
Arana. Was heißt das?
Let's go.
Okay.
So ngayon. So this is the reception area. Here. May minibar pala dito, oh. Maka-order ka ng mga drinks, chocolate. Oh. What's that, Joey? Gold and silver. Wow, 29, 89. Is that for gold or the bus?
No, that's too cheap for real gold. It is not real gold, I'm sure.
For gold, no?
Yeah.
So let's go outside. Here, Sershun. Wow, this area. Couch. Come in. Yeah, look. It's real because it's hot. Nice, no?
Make a cinematic.
Look at the flowers. It's beautiful. Cinematic vlog goes to Joey. Yan niyo po. Mga behind the scene. What? So, andun po yung restaurant area. Andyan sa ano. Pero hindi kami dyan kakain kasi sabi ni Joey, hindi siya mabubusog dyan kasi isa ay mahal at saka yung ibibigay ba, hindi masyadong marami. So, hindi siya mabubusog. So, sabi niya, punta tayo sa city kasi meron ditong Asia restaurant malapit 5 minutes by car. So, okay. Kasi gusto ko kumain ng rice din talaga. Sabi niya dito, tingnan niyo yung menu, Oliver. Hindi ako mabusog niyan. Ha? Dito kami sa Asia. Ayan, sa Joey. Sa Asia restaurant. Kinuha ni Joey ang aming order.
Gibt's noch mit Gabel und Messer und so?
Oh, yeah? Oh, wow. Danke. Dankeschön. What? This is rice and Schwein. Or baboy, kaning baboy, tapos mayroong mga gulay-gulay. So, kay Joey ay rice at saka tofu. Vegan. Hello!
안녕하세요.
Das ist von
Das ist
Korean.
Aber Vietnam, wir sagen Xin Chao.
Xin Chao? Das ist auch wie Chinesisch.
Nein, Chinese heißt Ni Hao.
Ah, Ni Hao. Ni Hao Ma.
Ni Hao Ma, genau.
Vietnam ist Chin Chai.
Leichter. Xin Chao.
How about, wie geht es dir?
Bạn khỏe không? Und danke heißt come on, wie come on.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
Wie heißt du? What is your name?
Ich heiße Huyền.
Gwen?
My name is Huyền. H-U-Y-A-N.
Huyền.
And
Okay.
you are on YouTube.
You're in my YouTube.
Yes, she has.
And where are you in Vietnam?
Was?
Wo wohnst du in Vietnam?
In Halong.
Hallau?
Ja, Halong Buch. Könnt ihr auch mal suchen im Internet.
Aber sie hat viel Abonnenten. 6000.
Wow. Ich habe erst 2.
6078.
Ja.
Die hat auch viel Geld jetzt. 61. Ich habe gesehen. Was machst du denn in YouTube?
Habt ihr TikTok?
Aber ich poste nicht so manchmal. Oh, 40.000.
Aber
Jetzt viel.
TikTok, bringt das überhaupt Geld? Ich habe gehört, dass die Schwelle...
Wie denn?
Ich hab kein Geld
Ja.
bekommen.
Wie viel?
Nicht sagen, aber
Das habe ich schon aufgehört, das TikTok, da kriegt man...
Wow.
nicht so viel wie YouTube.
She have a YouTube channel. Your name there is?
Hannah, live in Germany.
Oh.
Einfach, ne?
Ja, leider.
What is your content?
Live in Germany.
Du postest jeden Tag?
Also jeden Tag nicht.
Darf ich sehen?
Was? Es ist wie...
Er hat auch viele. Du hast auch viele
Aber
Aufrufe.
thailändisch.
20.000, 19
Oh, ich habe eine 90.000.
Aufrufe.
Hier arbeite ich. Also wie ein Tag in Deutschland arbeiten, dann diese.
Nee, das interessiert die Leute, ja.
Ja.
Genau. Aber leider in meiner Sprache, ne? Aber das finde ich sehr.
Postest du jeden Tag oder
Hm,
einmal die Woche?
einmal die Woche würde ich machen, aber ich habe leider keine Zeit. Ich muss noch arbeiten und so, weißt du?
Ja, ja, editieren viel Zeit und auch Vlog.
Schade.
Ja, ich habe das jetzt gemerkt. Ich
Belum,
hab
gua
4
vlog
Wochen
pala
angefangen
siya.
mit YouTube.
Genau.
Hannah. Hannah, Hannah.
Hannah ist mein Name, also deutscher Name.
Hannah, H-A-N. 2N?
Aha, genau. So. H-A-N-N-A-H.
Ah,
Dann zeig doch mal
okay.
den QR-Code, das kenne ich gerade.
Hast du
Genau.
auch? Schau mal.
Bye bye, Hannah.
Ah,
Hannah is so pretty, no?
danke. Wie kann man Thank you auf deine Sprache?
Salamat.
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 Salamat. Bis see you again.
And then Vietnamese? Vietnamese?
Auf deine Sprache.
Meine Sprache ist maraming salamat.
Mahal Salam.
Maraming.
Kannst du auch nicht? In Vietnam ist sehr einfach. Tạm biệt. Aber was ist in deiner
Tạm biệt?
Sprache? Ja, tạm biệt. Einfach.
By us is maraming
Marami.
salamat.
Ah, Marami Salamat. Ah.
Es gibt auch salamat.
Ah, auch
Das können wir uns
Salamat.
Aber marami das ist formell. Formell.
Ah, formal. Ah, okay. Tạm biệt ist auch formell.
Kambet.
Tạm biệt. See you.
Bye bye. See you in der Straße.
Super später.
Yeah.
Danke.
Cheers. May na-meet kami. Hello.
Hallo. Mein Gott, YouTube is everywhere.
May na-meet kami na ano ba, YouTube sensation. YouTube sensation. Si Hannah from Vietnam.
Gibt es mehr Creators als Zuschauer?
Ano, what did you say? In the future?
In few years we have more creators than viewers.
Like,
No?
yeah. Sabi ni Joey, maybe in the few years, a lot of creators than viewers. So now we're going back to the hotel.
Ja, und dann?
We're gonna meet my friends, etc., etc., etc.
Chattering und noch mehr YouTube.
Und noch mehr babablada. Uy, nakadalawa na ako today.
Ako naka-reels na po.
Today nakadalawa kasi pangalawa to kasi kanina pumunta muna kami sa Safari Park, Vandenberg, ano pa yun. So, isang vlog na yun.
Ako wala, as in.
Hi. Kain beer? Yeah. Hi, guys. I'm with Ate Eds. Tita na Germany? Auntie. Pero tingnan nyo naman ang suot. Pak. Oh, di ba? Yung anak niya, bit-bit na bit-bit.
Ganda ng anak ko, pang future miss ano yun nila.
Oh, ganda no? Ganda na ako ba? Tapos mainhin siya. Pag magdalaga yun, mainhin.
Be Alvis to. Dahil sensyon.
Palagi siya sumasama sa'yo, no?
Hala, dalaging ding na.
Sa'yo, nakita ko din nakasama niya. Uy, pangawisik na nakita pala sa event ng ano, last year. Oh, ikaw yung third doon, di ba? Nakita ko rin siya doon. Bisag asa.
Water.
Karon patulog din karon.
The queen of water.
Oo, di ba naka-blue?
Ay, Earth Day. Ay, sorry, good. Earth Day. Ay, sorry, not that.
Miss Earth.
Miss Earth. Aso.
She is the inhaber von the owner of the world. Miss Earth.
The owner.
Surprise. And then kilala nyo na yan.
Yung pagmumukha ko.
Kilala nyo na yan. Irene si Irene po lahat magbayad ngayon. Di ba?
Hindi siya
Sabi
kasi.
niya, ang siya magbayad lahat.
Hindi siya kasi ano na siya, German man siya.
Banker.
Hindi pa tayo.
Uy, German ka na, uy. German ka na, di ba?
No. Biko ko kay dili ko gusto mo bayad.
Ay, kamulok ko na si German. Deutsche.
Mr. Germany!
Mr. German eh.
Sabi ko sa kanya kung gusto niya mag-ramp model tomorrow. Ayaw niya. Pabitbitin mo na ako ng camera. Huwag mo na ako. Ramp model.
Ich hab's verstanden, ja. Einer muss die Kamera halten.
Siya man mo, wie man daw.
Thurston, hi.
Hey, baru makasmay.
Mag-order kami ngayon dito ng drinks para wala lang, party. Hi, I'm with Ate Dalia.
Yes!
She's the director, organizer,
Hindi nag-ano ng assignment.
and in the bunker right now.
Current director of Mrs. Europe
Europe.
Universe. Sige.
The current director of Mrs. Euro Universe.
Euro Philippines Unit. MEPO.
Mepo. Okay. Ay, kasi yung old, di ba may...
Mepo, di ba? Mepo dai.
Okay.
Mrs. Euro Philippines.
Babay tayo. Babay tayo. Ulit na. Suspicious ko na. Igor, tabi istorya po. Parang i-assign dire. Ang dami assignment na.
Yeah, exactly.
How to say?
Yes!
Bro, ate,
You
nakita
can
na
practice.
what I'm going to practice ba? But anyway, thank you for inviting us.
Thank you for coming. And
We're so excited tomorrow's event.
Yes, yes. It will be your first runway walk.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. And I don't know how.
Yes, of course, we will have rehearsal tomorrow.
Rehearsal, what time po?
Mga 14. Ano,
14? Where po? Where? When?
Sa Damuhan. Ah, syempre. Doon.
Okay.
Yeah, nandun, nagtingin ka na sa taas.
Hindi pa.
Meron
Later,
naman tayo
oh.
rehearsal.
So kung gusto niyo pong sumali for next year,
Yes, Mrs. Euro Philippines Universe.
for next year
Application,
naman,
registration are open now for June
2025.
2025.
Wow!
Which city?
Oh, Irene!
Still here.
Oh, okay.
You have to travel here again for next year.
I'm afraid.
But only Mrs., no? Not Mr.
Yes, Mrs.
Why you don't make Mr. Euro? It's not your
That's another
forte?
category.
It's not my fault. I used to be Mr. but now I'm Mrs.
Can I see it? Can I see if it's correct?
It's gone na nga eh. That's why I used
Can I see if it's true?
Maybe it's an idea for a second event.
Yes. I used to, I've done Mr. Sexy Santa last year.
Okay. Wow, ang dami mo na. Wow.
Pero sa ngayon, medyo ano muna.
Laylo.
Oo.
Laylo ka muna. Okay. And then?
And then next year,
Undan.
March 1 or March 8, the Likhat Latik Fashion Show.
Likhat Latik, no?
Yes, yes.
Hindi pa ako pumunta.
Oo nga, inislab mo
Nung
kami.
Likhat Latik, may exam ako sa Osbildo.
Ah, okay.
So that's why I can't
Pumasa
go.
ka naman.
This time, yes, I'm
Worth
finished.
Okay.
It's worth it, oo. Kaya,
Worth
grabe,
mag-attend sa
emergency.
ano.
Ano?
Worth it ang hindi mapag-attend sa
mga event. Sila lang, yung mga iba kong friends sila.
Oo, yes.
Sumayo yun sila. Ang pangit niya yung sayo nila, kaya hindi ako pumunta. Sinira.
Hindi siya kasama sa ano.
Ang pangit yung sayo nila, buta wala ko doon.
Hindi ka nag-ano.
Kaya. Char lang. So, ikaw yung organizer dito doon? Yeah. Dito rin yun, event dito?
Hindi sa kabilang ano naman.
Sa ano yun? Sa ano ba yung lugar?
Sa
Netherlands?
Hindi.
Germany din.
Sa nakalimutan ko.
Rekenfeld ata. Rekenfeld.
Basta maganda doon.
Wow,
Nakalimutan ko na kaya ano.
Taga dito ka lang po.
Sa Munster.
So, hindi masyadong malayo, no?
Oo, 45 minutes.
45, Monster. You know Monster in the horror?
Yes.
In the horror?
You can walk also tomorrow. Yeah?
Lahat na lang maglakad.
I need to hold all cameras.
So, she's the prettiest organizer na na-met ko. Maybe meron ako ma-meet, hindi pala yun. Ikaw pala to. Plastikan.
Sabay ka.
Oo, plastikan. Ikaw pala talaga yung mamaganda.
Sanay na ako dyan.
But thank you for organizing and
Sanay na ako dyan pinaplastic. Kunyari mabait sa harap ko.
Tomorrow for German or English man.
Again?
Can I understand tomorrow anything?
Of course, my moderator can speak fluent German, fluent Spanish, fluent English,
okay.
fluent
Now you know.
Tagalog, but not Bisaya.
So we cannot understand Irene or Ate Eds, no?
You need to go back.
We only understand Bisaya.
Ambot.
Ambot. Hast du gehört? Ambot. Sie hat gesagt.
Ambot Moy, ja, das war das erste, was ich gelernt habe.
Ambot.
Okay. Thank you.
Yung isang candidate friend namin,
Sino?
si Kapile. Char lang, si Pamela Bitaw.
Si Pamela.
Si Pamela Bitaw.
Mamaya, malapit na yun.
Malapit na ba? Kasi ano na sila, photoshoot.
Malapit na.
Ngayon, mag-photoshoot pa?
Yes, for...
I told you. Pastor told
Kasi,
you.
yeah. There will be, sa taas, nagsaset up na sila.
Ganda na, organizer natin to. Oh.
Sabi niya, 10 daw sila makuha. Oo.
So, mayayain ako God.
Bitaw, anyway, thank you for
Thank you also
inviting, organizing this event.
Thank you also for saying yes to walk.
Yes, of course. One chat away, yes.
Denmark, ato dala.
Wow.
Palubog,
Duwag yun?
Gi-free man.
Ay, free ni? Why it's free?
Because they made it
Made a
wrong.
mistake.
Why you didn't give it to me?
Because I took it because with alcohol, I like alcohol.
But free na lang siya. Free na lang siya.
Yeah. Give it for free.
Wow, that's nice. So now let's make
Bros,
guys.
Uy, kinang dumutan ko sa mata.
Ikaw na magawa ng tao sa ko.
Hindi dumutan ako. Kabalo ka sa supaan na. Later, anak, it will arrive.
Pinakulada. Select.
So, viel Alkohol drin.
You don't drink alcohol eh. Char.
Burgong ban na.
Hi, mga ano na mga katamong to.
Grog.
Ano na siya, drunk.
Very light.
Drunk but sexy.
Very light.
Ano sabi mo kanina about Barbie? May sinasabi ka sa...
Matuog mga ni si Barbie nga made in plastic.
But fantastic.
Very witty. Uy!
You know, ay, gara-gara na sa Barbie.
Kayo! Nahupog si Barbie gang!
Uy, si Barbie pala inom. Kids to Barbie. This Barbie.
Hello.
Alcoholic ka Barbie.
But I thought it's the word cheap.
Plastic.
Plastic, made in plastic.
But it's fantastic.
Ay, witty mo siya!
Clever. Clever. Yeah.
Palakpakan!
Ano masabi mo doon? Ano masabi mo doon?
Tama ka!
Sparklos.
Sabay-sabay yun. Ano ba sabi?
Ano masabi mo?
Sabi
Speechless.
Na-vertigo ako.
May tama. Sabi ni Torsa, ha? Ano sabi? Uy, thank you pala sa drink.
Kaya sa waiter mag-thank you.
Thank you. Uy, libre ro good ni. Ay mo gara-gara niya. You know the movie? Chikahan. Hi, George.
Hi, Hi, George.
Say it.
Hi, George.
Mapang-apit.
Hi, George.
Sumbol, George. Wow!
Cheers for the sun. George.
Free now. Free left. Why?
Our girls are gone.
Where are the girls?
Girls have to try to look beautiful as we.
As we. So now we are two.
Now we are alone again.
Irene is not there. Where is some gelatin? I hope. Wala katabi. Andun na sa hotel room.
Hi, Mommy Rose.
His name is Thorsten, not Martin.
Ich habe schon einen angestellt, ja. Der war Werkzeugmacher, bei dem wir angefangen haben zu gehen. Bestimmt 2 Jahre Michael gesagt. Und dann irgendwann er meint zu mir, Michael ist ein schöner Name, eigentlich ich heiße Matthias.
Matthias!
Da war aber seine Probezeit schon rum, ne?
Ja klar.
Ja, das ist aber gut für ihn.
Die Pamela! Wow, it's so pretty! Pero ganda niya, uy! Wow! Ang sexy, uy!
See you again. Yeah? Hi, Dong.
Ang sexy naman ang ating princess.
Grabe makadungoy.
Ang ating Disney princess.
Barbie.
Kung makadong, dong!
Barbie. Sayang mong good. Barbie na made in plastic.
But fantastic!
Pwede kayo kaibigan ko.
Ulo, grabe naman. Basta nag-uulan siya. Alam yung ginagawa niya, matanda na siya.
Tagal sa Cyprus.
Hoy, all the way from Cyprus.
Oh, syempre.
Wow!
May mga bigano siya sa Cyprus.
Bigat.
Si Andresa. Oo. Andresa. Si ate. Maria.
Ay, yayaman na yung name. So ngayon, ano oras ka nagbiyahe pa? Nag-aeroplano ka?
Siyempre naman. Nabarko. Lumangoy.
Ah, Serena ka? Serena. Ano pala?
Oy, Andresa, ang iyong ini.
Friend mo si Andresa? Hi, Andresa. Uy, grabe naman ito.
Follower mo.
Hello. Hi. Bakit wala siya ngayon?
Tulog na.
Hindi, I mean, sa mama. Adresa. Hi, Adresa. I'm with Ate Malaya. Malaya is so pretty. Kakain lang muna siya para mamaya usap tayo. Yes. Kasi gutom to. Wala kang drinks. Hoy, wala siyang drinks.
Gusto siya ni Andre. Diba?
Gusto mo ng cola? Gusto mo ng cola muna? Tubig? Para party lang nito muna ba? Ano gusto mo? Cola? Sa'yo din? Ha?
Only 6 minutes.
Wow! Bisa schlafen? Matulog na. Nee, bitte nicht.
Ng mga magulang ay kailangan.
Araw ko no. No, nor ear. No ear. Hoy, Thorsten. Palahubog.
Will schon schlafen gehen?
Yeah. Thursday, palahubog.
Wala, etse.
Ex ka, ex.
Hinay.
Palahubog. Ay, gidungan. Matong
Ja, war der erste.
gidungan ang ruko. Isa diri.
Itong lang ang birog-rog.
Paghuman.
Uy! Ay, Thursday! Barong!
Buhubo.
Ayaw kalimutan, barong.
Buhubo naman sa Ay, ang barok ug mahal pag siya diha.
Ayaw kalimutan ang barong.
Dapat imo tong gilak.
Vlog! Ikamoy witness.
Sabi ni Thorsten, bibili siya ng barong tomorrow sa kanya.
Kamu Joy Witness Vlog.
So kung hindi siya bibili,
I-shout out to na to.
Thorsten, alam namin kung saan ka nakatira.
Nananawagan kami pa. Madalaw na ako to si George. Si George ay bala ni motoros din bala juga dia.
Tapos na, punta kami sa taas. Uy, our candidate tomorrow.
I'm number 7
From Belgium.
from Belgium.
Wow, gagay. Dami niyang awards kanina. Dami niyang mga minor awards, ba yun?
Sa duwa-duwa.
Jenny, bravo. Bravo. Our DJ for tomorrow's event.
Of course.
Jenny from Cebu. Cebu. Cebu, Lapu-Lapu. Buhol, Manggut. Lapu-Lapu kay Paul.
Hindi, buhol kay...
Lapu-Lapu is Cebu.
Lapu-lapu isip ko, tapos ang buhol na pa isip ko.
I married to him already. Tara na. Tulog ka na.
George!
Going upstairs, tingnan natin. Varum, why? Because of the name George. She said she is traumatized. This is the daughter of Eds.
I need therapy, please.
She needs therapy. Hi, Eds! She said she needs therapy daw because of the name of George. Traumatized of the name of George. Ganda ni Irene.
Wow! Parang hindi, ano,
Ganda mo, no?
alauna na ko hindi. Oh!
Kapag alauna na, ang ganda mo.
At talaga, Cinderella.
Cinderella ang peg.
Pero manungog.
Kapag alauna, maganda siya. Cinderella ang peg. Dapat takbo ka dyan sa stairs. Iwan mo.
Sapatos na dala.
Baka bahala, natulog stores din. Wala na kukuha niyan. Ay! Tapos tulog rin stores, wala kukuha ng sandal.
Si George.
Si George na. Tapos tomorrow's event, sino makaano nito? Ikaw pala talaga.
Sakto man mo.
George! Nagoy, billiard diri ay. Billiard?
I billiard you.
I know that. Doki ah. Ja. Ich will das auch. Da. Hier. Nee, du musst bezahlen, 50 Cent. Nee, du musst bezahlen.
Gesagt, da sind die Bälle.
You need to pay 50 Cent. Da, practice sila ka guys, oh.
Pagbilang ka, counting. Okay.
Uy, rehearsal bit, ano natin?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait lang. Hindi na mabitay.
Mabitay.
Pero kung maaari ba?
Ay!
Kailang. Ano ha? 9?
Who's joke? Carissa is so pretty, huh? Your mother is not pretty. Gymnasium or the
I'm in a school where you have gymnasium and every, you know.
And now you are in gymnasium.
You can do until
Realschule no.
you can do until 9, you can do until 10th and until 13th.
And now you are
I'm in 7th, but I came
kinder.
I come in the 8th.
8. Okay. So now you are still in the
6, 7, 8.
in German.
German school, yes, huh?
Yeah, gymnasium or the
It's not a gymnasium.
gymnasium. We have like everything,
Okay.
A gymnasium and a area school in one.
In one?
Yes, in one.
Okay, now I know. Okay.
Swimsuit niya.
Susot niya. Wow, Pamela.
7, go.
Appear tayo. Oy, 5. Oh.
Hello, car guys.
You are going to look at yours.
Watch this. Oh, pizza delivery.
Pero dili ka na masusunod dito sa okay? Ito siya yun. Mag-ano ka ng baga ng kuan.
Si Joey yun, iba yun.
Nakay baga na hills. Kaya para mas easy sa imuha ang kanong manukad gani ang ana.
So right siguro.
Lambot ka na.
Tanawa daw asa ka komportable right? Kani magugga ko so kana imuha ang kuan.
Kaya nabayan pa niya.
Kana.
Babayad ka na.
So ngayon,
may bago ako dito subscribe. Ate Amalia, may bago ako na-recruit.
Yes.
Yes.
Follow niyo din siya. Si
May-
Oliver Cagas.
She subscribed just now.
wow.
So, you need this face. This kind of face.
A new follower.
Yeah, you follow. No, she showed me before, but she don't subscribe me before. She just watch from her friend, and now she subscribed me. My God, is it from?
But it's very late.
Oh, I have to, diba? I have to finish all the video until the end, yes.
It's okay, you can cancel it later because we Uwi na. Good night, Irene.
Night! Bukas ulit!
Sa second floor kasi siya, tayo sa first.
Third floor ako.
Third floor, tayo sa ground floor.
See you tomorrow.
So kung magkalindol, gusto na tayo.
Kung maglindol, kabalo natakin sa to.
Kasi ignudan.
Thirsty.
Sino ang dahilan?
Kasi kitala si George.
Tatlo sila.
Nakakalimutan ko talaga mag-video.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
Sie hat schon
Echt?
Ja, das hätte ich gefeiert.
Echt? Wieso?
Schon so da?
Nett?
Nein, nein.
Nee?
Gute Nacht.
George war nett.
Nein, ich bin traumatisiert wegen ihm. Wir kämpfen.
Was?
Ich muss ihn feiern, leider.
Sie fand George.
Yo.
Ja, ich muss ihn.
Aber wieso eine Begründung bitte?
Yung hotel room. 119. Sa inyo? Außer wir.
Was für ein Zimmer hier? Was ist das denn?
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Where's my mobile phone? We are here.
You are drunk now. Oh.
Where's my phone?
Yeah?
No.
How I know?
Ist so. Endlich meine Chips.
Immer essen.
I'm hungry. So hungry.
You are still hungry in this moment of time? You can eat it tomorrow. We will sleep now. Guys, I am going to end this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy
Again, this is the third time today.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo po sa vlog natin today. Please don't forget to like
To share.
and
To unsubscribe his channel.
you are so unfriendly. So, good night. Mahilamos na ako para ready na ako to bed. Oh, yeah, sige. Because you are unfriendly, you deserve it. You deserve it sometimes. Yes, this has been Oliver Cagas. And then, God bless us all, guys. Cheers!
God bless you.
Cheers! Cheers!